Hi everyone, today I'm going to be talking to you about KeyBank, and more specifically I'm going to show you a couple of ways that you can order replacement checks for KeyBank. So just a little bit of background on what a check is. It's a physical piece of paper that's linked to your bank account. You can use this to pay someone or a company, and the way that it works is you write the check and then give it to the person that you're paying. They will then deposit the check into their bank account, and once they do that, the money will be taken out of your account and deposited into theirs. So now that we have a little bit of background on what a check is, I'm going to show you 3 ways that you can order them. Before we get started, you will need to have a copy of a voided check or something else that has your KeyBank account number and your routing number on it. So the first thing you're going to do is open your browser on your phone and type in the bank web address. You can use Safari, Chrome, or whatever other browser you choose. I'm going to be using Safari in this video. As you can see, I'm already on the KeyBank website, and you can see the web address at the top of the screen. It's simply key.com. You can also check the description for the link to KeyBank. The first way that you can order checks is going to be to log on to your KeyBank account online. To do this, you're going to look for the Sign On button, which is located at the top right-hand corner of the screen. You'll click on that, and then you're going to click on Secure Sign On. That's going to bring you to this screen here where you can enter your user ID, click Continue, and then enter your password. If you don't have a user ID and a password, you can click on this link down at the bottom that says Enroll in Online Banking. From there, just follow the instructions on the screen to complete the enrollment process. Once you're in, go to Banking Options and order online if available. Usually banks do charge a fee for checks, and it's normally a set price, but be sure to look for any banking promos that include free checks if you have a certain type of account. The second way that you can order checks is going to be by calling the customer service number to KeyBank. You can usually find this phone number located on the back of your debit card for KeyBank, and it's probably going to be the easiest place to find the phone number. You can also look for a Contact Us page on the KeyBank website, but that can sometimes be a little bit tricky and not so straightforward to find. So if you happen to know of any other ways to find this phone number, please be sure to let me know in the comments. I do want to let you know that there is also sometimes an additional fee to use this service to order checks, and that's something that the customer service representative will be able to lay out for you when you speak with them. The third and final way that you can order checks is going to be by going to google.com and doing a search for order replacement checks for KeyBank. I've already got this tab open, and I've entered into the search bar order replacement checks for KeyBank, and what this does is it brings up several websites, third-party vendors that you can order your checks from. Bradford Checks Exchange, Checks Unlimited, very popular vendors that you can buy checks from. Do be aware that prices and security features will vary when ordering online through a third-party vendor. So if you happen to know of any other good, reputable third-party vendors to order checks from, let me know in the comments. Ordering checks through a third-party vendor is also where your voided check will come in handy, because you'll need to have your exact KeyBank account number and routing number to order your checks this way. Unlike when you order your checks from the KeyBank website or through their customer service, those numbers are not going to be automatically loaded, so you'll have to provide them yourself, and you'll want to double check to make sure that you entered them correctly. So those are the 3 ways that you can order checks. I really hope that you found this video useful, and please be sure to check out the description for more information about KeyBank.